Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdir. I am Chumthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very interesting remedy which I have found very useful in my practice. I'll only discuss the clinical symptom which I have got results in my practice, and those symptoms have been confirmed in lot many of patients. The remedy which I am talking about is a taraxicum. Of course, taraxicum, you all know that it's an infrequently used remedy, but it's a very important remedy for stomach disorders, liver disorders, abdominal disorders. Now I'll try to tell you symptoms which are related to stomach also, abdomen also, and moreover, the symptom which I found very useful in the area of mind. And that is very important. The first is the anxiety. Now, anxiety of a taraxicum is very important. In anxiety, the patient is always much better with motion. So whenever motion means he's moving around, he has to move around. Whenever the patient has anxiety, he keeps on moving, which he feels amelioration in his complaints. Now, whenever these symptoms come in a patient, we normally, most of us think about arsenic, we can think about pulsatilla, we can think about aconite, but taraxicum is also a very important remedy when anxiety is better from motion. Or in fact, in taraxicum, you can always have the opposite side also, anxiety standing while ameliorates. Both the things are present in taraxicum. Motion ameliorates, and while standing also the anxiety is better, like calcarea, carb and phosphorus. So both modalities you have to see and then see what to see in the patient. Also, the patient of taraxicum has anxiety while sitting also. When he's sitting, he feels very anxious, he has to move about or he has to stand still. Then the anxiety is better. Such a minor differentiation. You have to ask the patient, where is the anxiety? Then you have to define the anxiety, as I always say. It is better by sitting, better by standing, better by motion. So both varieties we have in taraxicum. Better by motion and better by standing. And anxiety has while sitting. So this is a very important and a very clinical differentiation which you have to follow in order to give taraxicum. Whenever a taraxicum patient suffers from headache, he has a very weird and very important symptom. He said, "Kitte baje? What is the time? It is 3 o'clock in the night. No, it is morning. What's your name? No, that okay." He's totally confused with headache. Whenever a taraxicum patient has headache, he has total confusion. And I found this so important in the remedy. Where I had a case where this was a classical symptom, and the only symptom, and I have given aurum metallicum because in aurum metallicum it is written confusion with headache. We have acetic acid also confusion with headache. But in this case, on further detail, I asked and I found that taraxicum was the remedy, and taraxicum cured the case. Now this is so important symptom, that confusion with headache. Now, lot of patients come and tell you that when you ask the dream to the patient, कि भाई आपको सपने क्या थे? What are your dreams? The patient says, I don't remember. I know that dreams come. मुझे सपने आते हैं, but I don't remember. Now this is a very important symptom again of taraxicum. That is, he cannot remember the dreams what he's dreaming of. You can have this symptom in chelidonium, you have this in carbolic acid, you have in Helleborus, you have in Cicuta virosa, but in taraxicum also, a very infrequently used remedy, but a very important remedy, that the patient cannot remember his dreams. As you go further, the fear part of taraxicum is very important. A taraxicum patient most of the time has fear after nausea. जी मचल रहा है, उल्टी के समान लग रहा है, and when that is better, the patient suffers from fear, and this becomes a very important symptom of taraxicum, that is fear after nausea. You have to remember two remedies, of course, very important, that is Nux vomica and antimitard. But if you think that you have not got good results with these two remedies and then you have to prescribe some other remedy, do think about taraxicum, where the patient suffers from nausea after fear after nausea. As you go further, the patient of taraxicum also has irresolution, indecision, indolence. Pulsatilla and taraxicum are the important remedy. The patient has irresolution, indecision, indolence with, that is pulsatilla and taraxicum. Why I'm telling taraxicum? Because in these symptoms we normally don't think about taraxicum. Now, the sadness part of taraxicum is also very important. That is, whenever the patient of taraxacum is unoccupied, the patient has sadness. That means the patient needs work. The patient needs to be busy. But symptom has been written in a Mater Medica, sadness when unoccupied. And you find the only remedy, that is taraxacum. And especially whenever a taraxacum patient wakes up in the morning, there is sadness. And there's written in the Mater Medica, morning aggravates the sadness. And that's why a taraxacum patient always wants to talk, because he feels much better while talking, and that's why there is a symptom in taraxacum called as tox desires 2. Tox desires 2, you can have remedies like argentum nitricum, you can have if argentum metallicum is also there, Sticta pulmonale, a very very infrequently used remedy, but that remedy also has a symptom that the patient desires to talk to someone. Same is taraxacum. So think about taraxacum when the patient has these type of symptoms, and because the patient wakes up with sadness in the morning and the sadness aggravates in the morning, a taraxacum patient has a very very peculiar symptom, that is, he does not like to talk in the morning. It is talk indisposed to. When he wakes up in the morning, he wakes up sad, he does not want to talk, he just wants to lie down, like we have in Nepal sulf, we have in Cocculus, we have in Thuja. In fact, we have in natrum sulf also. Natrum sulf, which I have already told you in my previous YouTube video. Do go and watch natrum sulf also. So these are the very very important symptom in relation to mind, and you have to know this because in most of the time you will find that after you give a polycust remedy and the remedy is not working, then taraxacum will work. So this is in short. I have just told you some cases of mine, which how symptom to interpret, and what are the mental symptoms of taraxacum that you have to take and prescribe. In the next video, I'll tell you some symptoms of taraxacum, very very important in relation to abdomen and stomach. So my dear friends, a short video of taraxacum mind. I hope you like this, and if you like this, do subscribe and share this. Thank you.